And we begin with this spring storm that's bringing wind, showers, and cold temperatures to our area. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Carolyn Johnson.
I'm Jonathan Gonzalez in for Michael today. The latest storm also dumping more snow in our mountains. NBC4's Amber Frias joining us live from Running Springs with a look at those conditions. Wow, Amber.
Hey, Jonathan. Hey, Carolyn. I don't even know if you could see anything out here because the area is completely covered in snow. It's on the roadways. We just saw a snowplow make its way, try to clear some of it. It's surrounded the businesses, is on top of cars, on top of homes. But you know what? People out here seem to love it. Instead of April showers, this mountain community is getting April flurries. Spring storms have been sweeping through the San Bernardino mountains in recent weeks, bringing with them several feet of snow.
A little nervous, but seeing that there's a bunch of other people kind of helps.
The unusually cold weather caught many by surprise.
So we planned it in December, and we were hoping by now the snow would not be here.
Many vacationers found themselves in a winter wonderland they hadn't anticipated.
We did not come prepared. We had to buy snow pants, hats, gloves, the whole thing.
But they wasted no time in embracing the conditions. Meanwhile, others who heard about the snow didn't think twice before making their way up.
Actually, we just woke up this morning and said, what do we do? It's raining downtown. So we were like, well, and they said snow.
Families bundled up were seen exploring Running Springs, while kids full of excitement eagerly embraced the snow.
I'm going to do snow angels.
Yeah? What about you?
I'm going to do a snowball fight.
And you?
Same thing as her.
Roads leading in and out of Running Springs were treacherous, requiring snow chains for passage.
Keep an eye on the weather, on the alerts, pay attention to all the signs. And if you don't have tire chains and you're not ready with proper gear, have absolutely food in the car.
But control chain stations were set up along the way, helping those unprepared for the conditions.
But I'm glad he's doing it.
Keep going.
So, while unexpected, Southern Californians were sure to make the most of the snowy weather.
Here we go, snow time!
A lot of fun, but despite all this snow, the good thing for now is that we haven't seen any reports of road closures. But I do want to re-emphasize that if you plan on coming up here, you need chains for your tires. Otherwise, you won't be allowed up. We've seen CHP officers patrolling the area, making sure people coming up have them with them. But for now, reporting live, Amber Frias, NBC4 News.
Yeah, definitely.